Hey y'all, the good folks over at SimPure sent me over a whole house water purifying filtration system to do a little unboxing, kind of show you what you'll get with it. If you live in a town where the water is not very good, you might consider checking out one of these. Plus, it can save you from having to replace your hot water heater quite as often. I know here where I live, I've been told that you have to replace a hot water heater about every 7 to 8 years because of the water. This should remedy that problem. Right now we're going to go ahead and get it opened up and see what we actually have in the box. Otherwise you'll know what you're getting if you order you one. Now I will tell you one thing right off the bat, this is heavy. It is not light. I mean, it's not like hundreds of pounds. I was able to set it up here on this desk, but it will require some assistance when mounting it up on the wall or something like that. Anyway, this is model DB20P3KDF, which you'll know exactly what model we're looking at here. It looks like it's going to be one unit, so that's pretty good. See if I can lift it up here. Like I said, it is pretty heavy. I handled it, so you ought to be able to handle it. This is what was loose in the box. This is going to be your filter wrench to take your filters off. I'll show you how to do that in just a moment. Get this uncovered a little bit so you can kind of see what we have here. And I can kind of see what we have here. Built in a nice sturdy metal frame. We have our, right here is where your valves are going to hook up. I'll show you that in a moment. If you follow me over here to the side, we've got our little bag here of goodies. Let's see what we get. Okay, we've got 3 boxes. I'm assuming these are probably going to be the valves. You want to make sure that you have the correct pressure on these. Now this can go from 25 psi to 90 psi. If your water pressure is higher than that, you may consider putting on a regulator valve to regulate that pressure coming in. Okay, yeah, we have our pressure valves right here. They are oil filled, so they'll be a little more accurate. Very nice. Don't see that in a lot of things anymore. Now, as far as putting these on, these kind of like a quick connect. You just push it in, pop it into place, and that's all there is to it. Get ready to take that off, push the white edge of this down, and it'll come right out. Easy peasy. Now, like I said, it does have 3 of these, or 1, 2, and 3. Where you can kind of see what the water pressure is in each one of these filters. Now these filters are designed to last 6 to 12 months, except for this filter, which one was it? Probably this one down here. I'll open that up just to make sure. So it needs to be replaced every 3 to 6 months. Comes with Teflon tape and mounting hardware. Okay, we have a little template to put up on your wall, so you'll know where to put the screw holes. There are screw holes on the back here. You can see them right there and right there. And it has the instruction book here. The DB20P3 owner's manual. Tell you all about it right here. Now, as I was saying, on these filters, take this wrench right here, slide it over there. It's got little grooves. You can sit there and turn that. Move it down. Loosen that off. Give it a little bit. Let's see. Yep, now we can turn it by hand. Just need it mainly, just kind of break it loose a little bit. And these do have double O-rings, one here on the side and one here on the top. When you replace the filters, make sure you have that O-ring back in place to prevent it from leaking. This is the CTO. It's 5 microns, 20 by 4.5, removes chlorine, taste, odors, and VOCs. This one here is the KDF, granule activated carbon, and KDF's 20 by 4.5. All of these are 20 by 4.5. This one removes the iron, lead, nickel, odors, heavy metals, hydrogen sulfide. Let's see what this one does. And this one here is your MPP. This is the melt blown sediment. 5 microns, removes rust, dirt, silt, sand, undissolved particles. Okay, there you go. 3 different filters. Your inlet, obviously, is going to be right here because this is going to be your last filter in there. So it's going to run through here, circle up, and circulate on through and out to give you pure, clean, odorless, and bacterialess, or up to 99.9% bacteria-free water. Like I said, it'll help make your hot water heater last longer, make your plumbing keep from getting that buildup on the inside of your lines. If you've ever seen the inside of a water line, you'll see all that buildup. This will help prevent that. Not to mention, it's going to taste a lot better, and it's going to be a lot better for your hair and your skin. Definitely a thumbs up. If you want to get yourself one of these, I'm going to put a link down in the description where you can order yours today and get it installed as soon as it comes in. Also, if you got any value at all out of this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I'd appreciate that. So anyway, here you have it, folks. The whole house water filtration system. Like I said, this filter is designed to last 3 to 6 months. These are designed to last 6 to 12 months. Now, it's going to depend on how much water you actually have flowing through. If you use a lot of water, it's going to do a lot of filtering. Therefore, it's not going to last. The filters are not going to last as long. So, use a little bit of water. Like me, if you're just one person, you're not going to use that much water. These filters would last probably that full 12 months. But you get 3 or 4 in a household, might not last that long. So you might want to go ahead and plan on getting some more about that 3rd or 4th month, just to have them ready to go when you need them, especially this one right here. Anyway, thumbs up, y'all. Keep your skin healthy, your hot water heater happy, and your whole family happy with clean, pure water. Like I said, thumbs up. I like it. Hey, I am Amazon Associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.